Hey there, Stampers. This is Sherry Roth. I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Alberta, Canada, and I'm excited to share with you a quick flip through of the All About Me album that I created for a recent class. If you missed out on the class, the tutorial is available to purchase. I will post a link in the description below. So this is a 6x8 album using the Abstract Beauty suite from the 2022 January to June mini catalog. And it was fun to document just things about me because I find that I scrapbook a lot, but it's oftentimes about my kids or about things that are happening, and I don't document a ton about myself. So this was really fun. Now the tutorial does include a list of prompt ideas that you can pick and choose from. So even though I've used these prompts doesn't mean that you need to use the same ones. There's some journaling tucked in behind here. Yeah, it was a lot of fun. I still need to do a note to my younger self. I did find a photo of a younger version of me. So there's a couple things that still need to get done. Here, this, and then the journaling is kind of tucked in behind. And then the final page. All right, so if you have any questions, just let me know. And like I said, I've linked the tutorial below if that's something that you're interested in. Thanks so much for watching.